Oliver here from the Hooked Camper YouTube channel, and in this video we're at Upper Kananaskis Lake. We're trying our luck at fishing, we're cooking up a great campfire meal, and we're having a great time. Come check it out. We're here at the Upper Kananaskis Lake in the Peter Lougheed Provincial Park, and this place is huge. There's so much to explore. You could spend days just in this little area, in this little chunk of Kananaskis. So here in the Upper and Lower Kananaskis Lakes, there's a bait ban. You can take 0 bull trout, you can take 1 cutthroat or rainbow trout, but they have to be over 50 centimeters. So in order to keep one, it has to be very large. Alrighty folks, we've got our massively overkill ugly stick big water with a buzz bomb, and we've got our usual fluger with a little spinner on it, which we caught some trout on last time. So I think the ugly stick is just complete overkill. It's huge. It's like a deep sea fishing rod, so I'm just going to retire it to the car for the moment. No luck, so we've moved spot. Just drove down to the rock wall here, and I think it drops off pretty well. There's some guys fishing on boats there, so we'll give it a shot. Last time we were here, this lake was completely frozen solid and we couldn't fish here. But this time it's a different story. I got snagged, lost my lure, so bring it back to the car and put another one on. And we're back at the rock wall where those people on the boats actually did catch a fish, so we're going to steal their spot and see how we go. It's been a couple of hours, the fish are jumping right in front of us, but we haven't caught a single one. We have some store-bought salmon to cook up, so we're going to go cook that up, and maybe we'll try again with the fishing a bit later towards sunset. So we're right at the water's edge here, and they've got these picnic tables with little fire pits, and they've got the best views. Folks, we've got a nice big chunk of salmon that we're going to cook up over the fire, and we're going to douse it in maple syrup. And then to wash it down, we've got some blackberry and mango kombucha. pulled the salmon off the fire, but it's still a little raw on the inside where it's red. So we're going to chuck it on the pan to finish it off. It's currently 7 p.m. We've just finished up dinner, and now we're going to keep going on our fishing attempt here. No luck in this spot in front of our picnic area, so we're going to go back to where we were and see how we go. Well folks, this has been an unsuccessful fishing trip. I've seen many fish jump into the air and none of them have bitten the lure, so unfortunately we're going to pack it up and head home. Even though we didn't catch any fish today, we still had a great time in some of Canada's most incredible scenic backgrounds. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We put up a new video every weekend, so I'll see you next week.